For the home, kitchen and beyond, Whirlpool manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Whirlpool appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local Appliance Helper can help. Whirlpool Microwave is not heating. Diode. The diode converts the AC power output of the transformer to DC, doubling the voltage to nearly 5.000 volts. This high voltage powers the magnetron to heat the food. If the diode burns out, the magnetron won't receive enough voltage to operate, preventing the microwave from heating. When the diode fails, it is often visibly burned out. Inspect the diode, and if the diode is burned out, replace it. If inspecting the diode proves inconclusive, test it with a multimeter that uses a 9-volt battery, or put a 9-volt battery in series with the diode. When the leads are reversed, the diode should only have continuity in one direction. Warning: the microwave oven can store a lethal amount of electricity in its high-voltage capacitor. Even after the microwave oven has been unplugged, due to the high running voltage and the potential for electric shock, it is extremely dangerous to replace the electronic components in a microwave. Only a licensed technician should replace the diode. Whirlpool microwave not working. Line fuse. If too much current passes through the microwave circuitry, the line fuse will blow. If the line fuse blows, the microwave won't start. To determine if the line fuse is at fault, use a multimeter to test it for continuity. If the fuse does not have continuity, replace it. In addition, you should investigate and resolve the problem that caused the fuse to blow. If you don't resolve the underlying issue, the new fuse will blow too. Caution: the microwave oven can store thousands of volts of electricity in its high-voltage capacitor. Even after the microwave oven has been unplugged, due to the potential for electric shock, it is extremely dangerous to replace the electronic components in a microwave. Only a licensed technician should replace the line fuse. Whirlpool microwave light bulb not working. Light bulb. The light bulb itself might be burned out. Replace the light bulb before replacing any of the parts associated with the light bulb. Whirlpool microwave shuts off after a few seconds. Door switch. A door switch might be failing intermittently. Check each of the door switches for signs of overheating, arcing, or burning. If you don't see any obvious signs of failure, use a multimeter to test each switch for continuity. If any of the switches is visibly damaged or only has intermittent continuity, replace it. Whirlpool microwave turntable not turning. Turntable motor. Use a multimeter to test the motor for continuity. If the turntable motor does not have continuity, replace it. Whirlpool microwave buttons not working. Touch pad. To determine if the touchpad is defective, try pressing each of the buttons on the control panel. If some of the buttons respond correctly while others don't, replace the touchpad. Whirlpool microwave display not working. Main control board. If the display goes out partially, the display board is more commonly at fault. If the display isn't working at all, either the main control board or the display board could be at fault. Whirlpool microwave turns on by itself. Main control board. First, make sure that the touchpad is working properly. If the touchpad is working properly, the main control board is likely at fault. If the control board is defective, replace it. Whirlpool microwave is sparking or arcing. Waveguide cover. The waveguide cover might be damaged and shorting out. Try removing the waveguide cover and see if the problem resolves. If the waveguide cover is burned or will not stay in place, replace it. Whirlpool microwave door won't open. Door hook. The door hook engages with the door latch to keep the door closed during operation. Since the door hook is made of plastic, it can break due to regular wear. If the door hook is broken, it won't release the door properly, preventing the door from opening. If the door hook is broken, replace it. Whirlpool microwave exhaust fan not working. Exhaust fan motor. To determine if the fan motor is defective, remove the fan motor from the microwave and try turning the fan blades by hand. If the blades do not turn freely, replace the fan motor. If the fan blades do turn freely, use a multimeter to test the motor for incoming power and for continuity. If the motor has power but won't run, replace it. If the motor does not have continuity, replace it. Whirlpool microwave is loud or noisy. Magnetron. The magnetron uses high voltage, high current DC power to generate the microwave frequency that cooks the food. Under normal circumstances, the magnetron emits a low hum. However, if the magnetron is damaged or nearly burned out, it may begin emitting high-pitched sounds or growling noises. If the magnetron is noisy, this indicates that the magnetron is nearing the end of its life or might be defective. A defective high-voltage diode can also cause the magnetron to be loud. Before replacing the magnetron, first test the high-voltage diode. If the diode is not defective, replace the magnetron. Warning: the microwave oven can store a lethal amount of electricity in its high-voltage capacitor. Even after the microwave oven has been unplugged, due to the high running voltage and the potential for electric shock, it is extremely dangerous to replace the electronic components in a microwave. Only a licensed technician should replace the magnetron.